Hello, once again, hi. Here I'm Vinu. This is first point during English zone. जब हम कोविड के बारे में बात करेंगे, एक ही चीज है ये, कोविड को हराना है, घर पे बैठो। तभी मेरे को एक लेसन याद आ गया। लेसन ये था हमारे कार के बारे में। कार में हमारे पास क्या है? हर कार में ऑलमोस्ट आजकल का मॉडर्न कार में क्या है? एयर बैग है। एयर बैग क्यों? और बाई चांस गलती से कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया, हमारे को बचाने के लिए जो ब्लाडर का तरह जो बैग भूल जाता है, वो है एयर बैग। वो हमारे को, ड्राइवर को, जो पैसेंजर्स को क्या करता है, मौत होने से शायद और एक्सीडेंट वगैरह ज्यादा होने से बचाता है। अगर कोविड को हराना है, हम क्या करना है? सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, घर पे बैठो, स्टे होम। अगर कोविड को हराना है, घर पे बैठना है। उसी तरह अगर हमारा कार में अगर गलती से कोई एक्सीडेंट होने के साथ वो एयर बैग काम करना है, तभी क्या करना चाहिए? सीट बेल्ट लगाना चाहिए। वो उनके लिए है जिनको नहीं पता है। इसे ये नहीं सोचना जितना भी महंगा, जितना भी मॉडर्न एडवांस्ड कार है, जब तक सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाएगा वो एयर बैग वेस्ट है, काम नहीं करेगा। कभी ये नहीं सोचना था, फिर भी पता नहीं क्या हो गया यार, सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाया था। सो सीट बेल्ट लगाने के साथ एयर बैग काम करने की तरह घर पे बैठने के साथ क्या होगा? कोविड बूम खत्म हो जाएगा। ठीक है, let this be today's message and come on, let's here we go. And here we have accordingly, additionally also, anyway, besides, certainly, comparatively, consequently, conversely, elsewhere, equally, finally, further, furthermore, hence, henceforth, however, in addition, in comparison, in contrast, incidentally, indeed, in fact, instead, likewise, meanwhile, moreover, namely, next, nevertheless, nonetheless, now, otherwise, rather, regardless, so what is that? Similarly, still, subsequently, then, therefore, thus, undoubtedly, and yet are some of the conjunctive adverbs. Do you remember the previous video? It was about compound sentence, three ways of representing compound sentence. Number one, let's remind ourselves what is a compound sentence. A compound sentence is a combination of two or more independent clauses joined by fun voice, semicolon, and third one is conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverb. And for example, we are writing on the other hand. See, on the other hand. On the, not the. So, just listen. T-H-E. T-H-E before consonant sound, the or the, and before vowel sound, the. So, vowel sound A-E-I-O-U. So, the other. In case if it is consonant sound, the. Okay, so here goes on the other hand. Example, the sun, S-U-N, S consonant sound, the. The sun rises in the east, E-A-S-T-E, vowel, so before that, the. Okay, so take care of this lesson. Here, on the other hand, subsequently, these are some of the examples. Here we say the words which we use in connecting two independent clauses. Conjunctive adverb. And now take 2-3 seconds for a screenshot now. Come on. Thank you. See, to teach you the meanings of these, it will take a long time. So please make sure that you use your respective dictionaries which you have to learn your own personal languages so that you can understand better. Okay? Anyway, here I am going to show you what is this and how they are used in making compound sentences. Okay? This is what we are going to see. Okay, wait please. Let's see some examples. 2 or 3. And one more thing, students. See, I can give the meanings of all the words, and I know, as I just said before, you will really search the meaning for this. Now, conjunctive adverb. These are the conjunctive adverbs, and now listen, what is a conjunctive adverb? Conjunctive adverb means conjunctive adverb is a word that joins two, be happy with this, ICs, independent clauses, okay, two ICs to make one. Conjunctive adverb is a word that joins two ICs to make one. So here we have examples. Means conjunctive adverb is used to join two ICs. Two ICs means two independent clauses. आपको बताया, मैंने पहले भी बोला था compound sentences में क्या नहीं, dependent clause में. Next video is about dependent and independent together. That's about complex sentence. And one more is there, compound complex sentence. With this we complete range of grammar. Come on now. Two independent clauses. I need red mark here. We wear mask to fight corona. We wear mask to fight corona. Subject है, verb है, meaning clear है, so क्या हो गया? I see. दोनों में से एक हो गया. And frequent cleaning subject will also work. Two independent clauses को के बीच में हमने moreover लगाया. Moreover कहाँ पर मिलेगा? Hello moreover. You're here. Moreover हमने उठा के यहाँ पर लिख दिया. And rule I am going to tell you. Conjunctive adverb compound sentence में use करने का rule is this. IC semicolon conjunctive adverb comma independent clause. So simple, fantastic. IC is used. IC semicolon conjunctive adverb use करना, independent clause semicolon conjunctive adverb comma plus next sentence, simple sentence, complete sentence or independent clause you write, you get rule number. As per this you are going to make compound sentence with the conjunctive adverb. Now here we see another example. Doctors, nurses and police are sleeplessly working to contain coronavirus. Health department, law and order. Health department, law and order. Okay? बिना नींद वगैरह सारे छोड़ के बस sleeplessly they are working. किसके लिए? to contain. Contain means control, limit, stop वगैरह. Contain कोरोना वायरस को फाइट कर रहे हैं. Semicolon means the first IC is over. First IC is over. First IC is over. And now comes semicolon. Yes, we have. Sorry. And here we have additionally. What is additionally? Additionally. Additionally is here. Conjunctive adverb. And here we need a comma. Yes, put. And our personal effort also becomes a great help. हमारा personal effort भी बहुत ज़्यादा इनके साथ हमारा एफर्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प हो जाता है, क्योंकि जितना हम अपने आप केयर करते हैं उनका उतना बर्डन कम हो जाता है. सो हम भी इनके साथ दे सारे कंट्री इकट्ठे फाइट करें सो दैट सारी दुनिया हमारे कंट्रीब्यूशन की वजह से सारी दुनिया जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट. एंड नाउ फर्स्ट वन अबाउट दिस एंड टू मोर we had actually I had taught in the previous classes. What is that? Number 2. One is with semicolon. So easy. IZ semicolon IZ. Okay, and that you have already seen. And one more was there. IC comma fan, boys plus IC. So these are the three areas there we can use compound sentence. So compound sentence here comes to an end, and please leave your comments, and please make sure that you understood whatever I have taught you. And dear students, once before we enter complex sentence and compound complex sentence, make sure that this is crystal clear for you. And I would like to tell you nothing. And be safe, be happy with learning more and more. And your comments will really make me powerful, stronger, so that I can come up with more useful and powerful contents too. So that you will really get, as our classes are going in a succession, in a proper order, definitely subscribe today itself if you have not done that. Plus, like my page, then what to do? Share it and comment. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.